Hello friends, welcome to Success Learners channel. This is Balaji. In the previous video, we've seen how to make the boundaries and how we are going to replay again and how we are going to quit from the game also. So in this video, we are going to see how we are going to provide the food for the snake. So for making this, we have to create a variable called snake block. So we have to make the snake block here, that is equals to 15. After making this 15, we have to change this snake block, like when we are drawing here, we have to make this 15 snake block here. So instead of making this 15, we are making that one there. So yes, block. So after changing this one, we have to define food. We have to define the food like food x coordinates, where should it present. So for this purpose, we have to make round random. So for using this random library, we are going to import the random library here. Import random. So after making this command, here you have to make that random dot rand range. Select this one. In this rand range, you have to make that it should be present from 0 to screen width minus snake block. That should be, let's divide it with 10.0 and multiply it with 10.0, making the float numbers there. Food dot y coordinate. So let's copy this statement. Copy this statement and place it over here. We have to change this as screen height here. So after making this one, so we are going to get the food in this particular coordinates. So under this while function, what we have to make, like we have to draw. So here we have to draw, like we have to draw the x here, x over the screen dot rect screen, not screen height, just screen, comma, the x should be in the color like blue color. So when we are going to define this blue color, like blue color has the coordinates, like we are going to define this blue color in this color section, like let's get this one. Blue is equals to, blue is having the representation IDs like 50, 153, 213. You will get these numbers by internet. So after drawing this blue, here we have to specify the coordinates. So the coordinates are food x, food y, and this should be like, and the length and width should be like having S block. Take it as S block, same width as the snake. S block, S block. So after making this one, if we are going to eat if the snake is going to eat the egg, then again it should come, right? So for that purpose, we are going to make the command like if x equal to food x and y equals to food y. So after this block, we have to copy the same, like we are going to make the same type of food again when the snake is eating that one. After happening this one, we have to make that block again and again. So after this one, we have to make that snake length. We have defined snake length as 1, so we have to increase the snake length by 1. So this is going to increase the score also. So in that purpose we are using this s length. So let's run this one, see the output. See here, see after making this one, it is going to generate the randomly, it is going to generate the eggs there. That's it guys. If you have any doubts regarding this concept, please let me know in this comment section. Thank you.